This guide will take you through the steps to help you find the correct replacement part. Please visit the website size guide page for instructions on gathering measurements. Firstly, remove the current roller from your shower. Use a set of calipers which are available from the website and ensure that they are zeroed and set to millimeters before starting. Take the key measurements, paying close attention to the wheel diameter and the diameter of the hole in glass, as these measurements will be used to help you initially find your replacement part. Round up to the nearest millimeter if needed to allow for any wear on the current roller. Once you have all your measurements, head to the rollers and wheels section of the website. Using the filters on the left-hand side of the products, start selecting the options which correspond to your roller. Once you have entered the type, and roller position, enter the wheel diameter size and your hole size and glass measurements to help filter down the products. Then it's just a case of simply visually matching your part to the ones that are shown on screen. You can double check the additional measurements of the part by scrolling down to the size section of the product page. If however you are still unable to find the part you are looking for, then we also offer a part matching service. Simply take a few photos of your part and using the online form, send them to us and we can help you find the correct part. Please ensure you take photos of the top, front and side of the part and ensure that it's been removed from the shower door.